Hello everyone. So this is the website that I'm going to show you where I purchased my taillights. So you want to go to shop by vehicles, go to Honda, press under FK7, FK8, and there's a bunch of other stuff, headlights, taillights, side markers, and this is the one that I bought. So yeah. First off, you're gonna have to take these two screws with a screwdriver. So once you're done with that, make sure you pull it outward. So the reason is to pull it on the right side is because of these two. So you're gonna have to pull it out on the right, forcing it. Okay. So once you look at the stock tail light, make sure you remember all the plugs. So obviously there's one right here, and one right here, and this one. And then you look over here. One right here, here, and here. So this green one is gonna go with this red one. This gray or teal is gonna go up here. The yellow one is gonna go with this orangey faded color, orange faded color. Last one, also teal, I think. It's gonna go down here. This small one. That should be all 4 plugs. And then once you're all set, make sure you just twist it counterclockwise. Make sure you twist it so it could be labeled. For these, make sure you press this middle part and then pull up. And then these two are just a twist and pull up. And then, so once all the plugs are in, it should look like this. The green one with the red, just faded orange with the yellow, and this plug, teal color with white. And let's turn on the car. Alright, should look like this. I bought it smoke, so it looks darker. So I'm gonna turn this on really quick. I just screwed them on a little bit, not too much. Alright, took out the whole panel, and so we gotta take this off, and then these two screws for this one. Same goes to this one.
cayó, hijo? ¿Qué se cayó? ¿No se quebró?
Poquito.
Ay, mi niño, no los pongas encima. Déjalos abajo hasta que ya los vayas a poner.